Alright guys, I'm running for Shane. He's got the autographed Russell Wilson helmet here. 30 spots at 4. Live at 6:38 p.m. Type live on the post. We are live. 6:38 p.m. 6:38 p.m. Grab a list. And we will drop it into random. We have 30 entries. Derek on the bottom. Kyle Snyder on the top. 30 entries here. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 7. We're going 7 times. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Dice show the 7. Next click, top spot wins. Good luck. And 7. Congrats. Spot 22. Justin, you are the winner. Get in touch with Shane and get your helmet. We are done. 6:39 p.m. We'll go back. We will type done. We are done. 6:39 p.m. 6:39 p.m. Here is the verification code, and here is the timestamp.